Please press the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon and never miss an update from Passionate Geeks. Hey, what's happening guys, PG's here. So I'm back with another tutorial here. On the previous video I'm going to show you how you can add this background to your status bar, but this time I'm going to show you how to add a frame to your clocks. So as you know, see, this is my default status bar background, so there is no frame in the clock. So now see this, as you see I have a frame of dragon-like structure and clock overlapping it. So this is pretty cool and it look awesome. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Here we are. So first, as you know, we need to decompile our system UI and the framework. So whenever we do the changes to our Android system, we need to decompiling things. So what you're gonna do is you have to decompile your framework and the UI. On the framework, you have to find those lines which are related to our status bar dimensions. So you can find in the dimensions. So here you have to change the height of your status bar and the navigation. As we do whatever we change in the status bar, we need to be clear, so we need to increase the height and lower the height of our navigation bar. So framework part is done. Now move to the UI. Here UI, you have to open the layout. So whenever you add things to your status bar, you have to edit your status bar layout. So here you have where you want to edit. We want to edit our clock background, so we have to find the code related to clock. So here's the code related to clock. So here, so first we have to see what background we need to our what frame color we need to our clock. So if it's white, then white on white will be not visible, so we have to give it color to our clock. So like I'm going to add a color to my clock, like adding this XML, like add color / clock color or clock, or I can simply add the hex code of the color I want. Like I want to add the red color to my clock, so I will add the hex code of the red color. You can easily find the hex code of the colors on the Photoshop or online. So when you're satisfied with this, now you have to add the background. For adding a background, the code is Android background. So like I'm going to do Android background. So background should be like add drawable / name of my PNG. Make sure the PNG should be a 9-patch generator. So you can, if you don't know what is the 9-patch, go check my previous video on the status bar background changing, so where you can learn how to add the 9-patch images to your status bar. On the previous video I show you how to add a background in your status bar, but this time show you how to add a frame or add a background to your particular clock. So here, when I satisfy with my clock, now I have to find the PNG that will be a frame of my clock. So now I have to add the PNG to my drawable folder. So like I already generated a image, like this is my image should be a 9-patch, extension should be a image name.9.png. just add the PNG in the UI folder of your drawable. Just add the image here, drawable HTTPI, and here you have to add a .9, but when you add the code of this image on the status bar layout, then you do not need to add a .9. Just add the name of the image, and there are many attributes you can add to your clock. Like you can change the color, you can change the style. Like I want my clock style should be italic or bold, so I will use the code Android text style. I want bold. I also want italic, then I use the bars like bold, italic. Or if you don't want, just delete it. Like I don't want to, I just do it for showing you. You can also add this, but I don't need this now, so I'm going to delete it. and now I'm going to save my work. So you can add the main attributes whatever you want. So this is all guys, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, do likes, do share. And at last you have to recompile all things and flash to your system UI and the framework both in the same zip. So here we are. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, do likes, do share. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned.